go over how to complete the diagnostic in IXL. So IXL is a math program that our school uses, and in order to access it, you're going to go to IXL.com/sign-in/LAUSD. You want to make sure that you go to this website, not just to IXL.com, because you won't be able to sign in there. So this is our page for our specific district. So you're going to either sign in with Google. If you're on your child's school-provided Chromebook, you should be able to log in that way. If not, your teacher should have provided you with an IXL login. So if you don't have that, you can ask them for it. And you're going to type in their username. You don't have to type in @LAUSD because it's already done for you. And type in their password. And click sign in. So the first page you're going to see is some recommendations. But when we first start using IXL, we don't want to do recommendations. We actually want to go up to the second word up here that says diagnostic. So this is how you access the diagnostic. You click on diagnostic, and then you're going to click step into the arena. And then you will start being presented with questions, and your child can work on the rest on their own. And this is something that they should be working on their own, because it's so that your teacher can get a good understanding of where your child's at in math. So they're going to click on a question. They're going to try their best to answer it. But if they don't know it, they can click I don't know this yet in the corner. So again, you would click diagnostic and step into the arena. You're going to continue doing the diagnostic until your teacher tells you to go to the learning tab. The learning tab is where you're going to have recommendations on questions that you should answer. And that's how you access IXL.